I think AMTech has been a show which is actually concentrating only on AM and the whole ecosystem related to AM, including startups. So I think it's one of the premium exhibition in India as far as the additive manufacturing and whole ecosystem goes.
The AM industry has been growing rapidly. As I know, back in 2017, when we first were a part of AMTech Expo, we saw hardly a footfall of 100 people who were really interested in buying powders and had metal machines. But today, if you see, we have at least 300 people. The industry has grown 3 times in this 3 years, despite of having a 2-year COVID lag. So I see now, as things are phasing up to be normal, the industry might take up a 10-fold growth.
Flawless execution and getting the entire Indian AM community together, it's not a joke. So excellent platform for the entire community to be here. And outside work also, it was such a nice thing to catch up with all old friends, especially after COVID. We had not met for a couple of years now. So even from a fun perspective, it's nice to catch up with all old colleagues from our Indian AM fraternity.
Like our products, amazing. So amazing portfolio solutions what we have is, so we can say the partnership engagement with AMTech is transforming the business specifically in the metal additive space.
In AMTech, we are really surprised about the knowledge of the local people of additive technology.
AMTech was the superb experience. This is like a first year of mine participating in this AMTech in Hyderabad 2022. And I'm definitely looking forward for participation again and again in AMTech.
I see personally this event, last event also I attended in 2019. Comparatively that has been grown a lot, and I'm sure next year it will be better than this. More participants we can expect for Indian customers.
On how they really realize the importance and the value that you can add to the show, to the industry, and it's not just a one-way conversation, but how both of us could add each of our strengths together and create an ecosystem that really makes the industry reach where we all want it to reach.
AMTech, like we had a first time we are experiencing this trade show, but yesterday was a very good experience, very good footfall. We came across a lot of customers, like end customers and OEMs.
For me personally, this is my first company to exhibit here, but I got a very good response. I am looking forward for next year as well and expecting more and more footfall and business to come from AMTech.